Hey all you groovy cats out there. I'm tired awesome yo. And I have a box. What's in the box? Nobody knows except I do. So let's open it up and see what's been mailed to me. I already took a peek inside. Hope you don't mind. I just wanted to see what it looked like in this box. But now I'm going to show you. Dang, this is a big box. There's too much stuff on my table. So much wrapping paper. And if you didn't notice, they put my box inside of a box, and then they put that box inside of another box, and then they mailed that box to myself.
And when it arrives, I'll smash it with a hammer! It's brilliant, 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 I tell you! Genius, I say!
I am so tired. Let's open up this other box, then. Fragile. Gotta be careful with your blades. Only extend what you need to open what you're opening. And never cut towards yourself. Because that's how accidents happen. Be safe. Oh. Then you yank on the handle. Conveniently placed in handle yanking position. Oh. Can you not see what it says yet? Let me turn the box around. That is right. I ordered a canvas from Huion. It's in a box. Now you might be asking yourself, what is a Huion Kamvas? Well, I'll tell you. A Huion Kamvas is a monitor that you can use a stylus on to draw digitally. So that means that thing that I've been working on, that I haven't been working on recently, Project Playlist, is going to be continued, but at a way more slow pace, with way more story, and way more help. So let's open this box and see what we all got inside of it. I got a card. It says thank you for choosing Huion. Oh, there's a little avatar in here. It's adorable. Anyway, let's get into the meat and potatoes. You have to be careful. It is a screen after all, and it might break if you're not careful. Careful! Oh yeah. Just gotta get this box out of here. Okay, alright. I'm excited. I don't know why I am, I just am. We have a box. Yet again. What's inside of it? We don't know until I open it up. Ah, yes. The cords. The bolts. The Allen key to it all. Probably for putting the stand on the old monitor. Oh. You want to know what a glove looks like? That thong. I say I. Now this is a weird looking glove. Why would they give you a glove that only has 2 fingers covered? When you're drawing, you hold in a pencil and you put your hand on the screen. This makes it so it don't scratch or scuff or smudge or get the pen dealio mixed up. It's important. Ah, yes, the pen. The most important part, for without it, how can you draw? Ooh, it looks good. You know, I was thinking to myself, you know, they have a bigger one. Maybe I should get it. But then I realized to myself, for like $300 less, I could get something that's just as good. And I have to say, it's impressive. Ooh, it gives me a warm tip. Please peel this off mask before use. But yeah, you got your screen, you got your side buttons for your side button pleasures, such as undo or copy. And this is what you're working with. If you see all the ports, that's what you have to plug in. So if you get one of these yourself, make sure that the cords come with it. Or go to your local store and get one. And contact Huion, because why wouldn't they send you the cords? Doesn't make sense. Not at all. So, that is the Huion unboxing. I'm not gonna go through all the things. I mean, just look at all of this. Like, there's another box. Hold a pen, but you know, you have to be careful with the pen. Whatever. Got yourself some, I forget the name. I really do. But this is what plugs into your PC, and then you plug the other end into your Huion tablet, and that's what makes you get connection. You want an Allen key with Phillips end on it? We got you covered. You want that? We got you, baby. You want a 1.5 meter HDMI? No problem. You having trouble putting your pen down and you don't want it laying down on a dirty table? We got a cover for you. You want this bad boy to run on power? No problem. You want the end to plug into the wall? We got you covered. So yeah, that's her. I am excited to try this out, and in the next video I will be sharing the screen and showing you how it works for me. I'm not going to show you how I'm going to set it up because that's way too long of a video and nobody wants to see. But this is the end of the video, unfortunately. I have unboxed the tablet, and now I get to plug it in. Crap. I'm going to have to go behind my desk and fiddle around and make sure it's plugged in and all that other junk. But thank you for joining me on this unboxing. For I've been EpicAwesomeYo, but it's your turn to be awesome too. You know the drill. Clickety-clack that like, tippy-tappy comments, and subscribe if you want more stuff. I'll see you in the next episode. And hey, take care now. You have to savor the peelies.